Usazifake kakhulu endlizweni zabantu abaningi base-KZN eThekwini uMavava Mfokasi Khakhane kulandela ukwenza kwakhe ithembiso afisa ukuyifeza phambi komphakathi wase-Durban kulandela ukukhetha kwakhe njengosihlalo omusha weqembu Inkatha Freedom Party ngaphansi kwe-Durban Central. Iyaqhubeka futhi siphumile esandleni impi enyanga embili ezake zaba abangane abangamatheni nolimi Dr. 3 Second noDr. Mabalenge kodwa baqhathwa yiciko likaMaskandi uSminoff ngengoma. Kanti uJulius Malema usewinele inhliziyo zabantu abaningi base-South Africa kulandela i-manifestation ayenze nge-13th year anniversary celebration ye-UEFF endaweni yase-Limpopo. uJabulani Khumalo ke waba umsunguli nomphathi weqembu iMK esekuyiqembu lika Jacob Zuma. Ushaya ibuye emva kokuchithwa izinkantolo eziningi ezincane nezinkulu ukuthi angeke aze aliphathe leli qembu umthetho awuvumi kodwa naye ulokhe ebuye njalo ngenkani ungafungwa ukuthi ngowakaNtsele. Mbukela sikubingelela siphinde sikwamukela kuphinda kuphi lapho osibukele ukhona njengamanje kulezi zanamhlanje sihlangana kuzo sibonge isupport enisipha yona usuku nosuku ingakho nathi mbukeli singaphila amadla siqhubeka nokuthi nihlale nisibona njalo sizonilethele kwizona sokuyihamba phambili njengoba namhlanje kuyilezo nalezo nje ihlukana empilo entathe sekuphathele zona okwakho ke mbukeli ukuthi wenze nje kube lula sicela ukuthi usubscribe ulike ama video kodwa futhi akusiyona impoqo kuya ngokuthi wena ngabe uyathanda yini ukuthi siqhubeke nokuthi sikulethele indaba ngendlela esikulethela ngazo. Namhlanje ke mbukela ke sithinte lona udaba lapho kade sibuka khona insizwa esaba ubhuti wengqwele bayamazike abantu abaningi uMavava Mfokasi Khakhane insizwa lapha ekhona emateksini ekhona emabhizinisini amaningi kanti nje insizwa ehloniphekile kakhulu njengoba abantu abaningi beze bembize ngobhuti kanti futhi ukhona laphana kwezepolitiki namhlanje simbamba ePaula lapha kwezepolitiki neqhaza lakhe nje alibambile lapha kwezepolitiki njengoba naye simbona kwinguquko ekhona kweqembu angaphansi kwakhe kwalo evela naye lapha nalapha naye ke uMfokasi Khakhane siyamuzwa ePaula ngezinye zezinto ezenzeka lapha ezweni sakhile eSouth Africa ethinta nje inhlangano ezimele efana no March March yilapho ke sithi khona uMavava Mfokasi Khakhane ubese yiwenela inhliziyo zabantu njengoba eqale ngokuthi ancome umsebenzi weMarch and March.
Uyabona ke March and March ngiyithanda ngaphezulu kwami.
Hayibo.
Ngiyithanda ngaphezulu kwami ngisho nama ngithi
kuthiwa nina nenzondo yabantu bangaphandle.
Hayi ku right sibe nayo. Naba bazonde nabo masisema kubo.
Yeah. Konke mthetho.
Uyabona mangixosha kithi ine right ukuthi ngixoshe ethi ngoba kunezizathu ukuthi ngixoshe la. Nawe futhi uma unezizathu zokungixosha kithi ne right ukuthi ngixoshe. Abantu bokufika nje abahambe.
Or it doesn't matter ukuthi baneyimvume or banamaphepha.
Abahambe nje kwazona ayithathingeki ngoba kwazona lezi imvume bayintshontshelo abaholi bethu la eSouth Africa.
Akagcinanga lapho. Ube sekhuluma njengosopolitiki ekhuluma nabantu abayizakhamuzi esho into ekumele ayitshele abantu nento abantu basemzansi abalindele ukuyizwa ngabe ukuthi ngabe yena uMfokasi Khakhane yini eza nayo njengosihlalo omusha okhona laphana ngaphansi kweDurban Central lapho ke uMfokasi Khakhane akubeke kwacaca ukuthi yena uzobeka idingo zabantu phambili ngaphandle kokuthi iqembu lona ngabe lihamba kanjani pusha yiphi inqubomgomo noma ngabe iqembu lona lifuna ukuthi asebenze kanjani kodwa yena njengomuntu osuka lapha kwi ground level njengoba simazi ukuthi uMfokasi Khakhane uxhumana nenhlaka eziningi zabantu nje abalapha eMzansi abengekho kwi-political level kodwa abayizakhamuzi kodwa naye uMfokasi Khakhane siyambona ehlanganyela nabo lapha nalapha kwingxoxo njengoba asibuye simthathe njengomuntu oyi-influencer ngoba uyakwazi ukuthi akhulume into eyenza isense abantu bakwazi ukuthi bayithathe leyo nto igcine iba nomthelela noma iba nemphumela emihle mbukeli kodwa asimcaphune lapho khona esekhuluma as usihlalo weqembu Inkatha Freedom Party.
Angibingelele kuyibukele zonke zaleyo luhlelo Igama lami nguMavava Wasikhakhane eNkandla. Ngihlala khona la eThekwini eDurban Central. Ngokwama-position-ke ngoba abantu bonke la emhlabeni sebanikezwa ama-position. Banginominate ukuthi ngibe usihlalo weqembu leNkatha Freedom Party eliholwa upresident wethu Bulawayo Hlabisa. No ngaphansi kwakhe kube khona upremier wethu uThamsanqa Ntuli umholi opremier we province yase KZN la KwaZulu Natal. Mina ke ngusihlalo wesiyingi sase Durban Central. Mhlambe anginayo into engingayithembisa abaholi. Kodwa into enginazo mina engingayithembisa umphakathi. Anginayo into ngoba abaholi akukho mhlambe okuthina abakudingayo ngaphandle kwezinto ezidinga umphakathi. Mina ke noma ngiwusihlalo kodwa ngisewusihlalo womphakathi. Ngoba okuningi mhlambe nami uqobo khona ngeke ngikwenze mawukuthi ungiphoqa ukuthi angikwenze ngoba ngiwusihlalo kodwa ngiphoqa ukuthi ngikwenze ngoba ngumphakathi engiyokwenza noma ngayiphi indlela. Msazi into engithembisa abahlali baseThekwini omdala omncane iyodwa ukuthi lempi ebhekene nezwe ngeke izinqoqwe yimi nguMavava noma ngusihlalo kuphela kodwa soyinqoba ngokuthi sibe ndawonye nabo silwisane nanoma yikuphi okuyisikhubekiso okuphazamisa ukubusa kwabantu ngoba mangizothi mina mhlambe ngikhetha abantu abancane kuphela laba abadala ngibashiya nobani ngoba uvele phela uhulumeni usabadivide kakhulu abantu wathi ubudala bomuntu sebuqala ku-35 kuya phezulu. Kusho ukuthi loyo muntu loyo vele naye umuntu okusadingayo ukuthi ey'ntweni ey'ningi singamsideline naye simthathe njengomuntu esimdingayo ngoba vele ubaluleke kakhulu kuthina. Okwabantu abasha ngicabanga ukuthi sonke masingabahlali base-South Africa siyayazi into edingwa abantu, siyakwazi futhi ukukhohliswa. Mina nje ngomunye umuntu okwazi kahle ukuthi abaholi bakhohlisana kanjani. Kodwa into engimike yona ngithi ngeke ngiphe ama-revenge okukhohliswa mina bese ngihamba nami ngiyokhohlisa abanye abantu ngoba nakho kade ngikhohliswa. Ngeke ngize ngihambe naleyo nqola noma ngabe ubani ocabanga ukuthi mina uzongi-influencer ngitshela ukuthi cha kuyipolitiki ikhanjwa ngale phesi. Cha mina ngicela ukungahambi ngephesi yepolitiki, ngicela ukuhamba ngephesi yomphakathi.
Nanti udaba isithe sadlula kancane nje kulona lensizwa embili uDr. u3 Second noDr. uMabalengwe. Lezi insizwa zombili sizazi nje zingamathe nolimi kodwa ke kwahamba kwakhona ungaboni ngasolinye phakathi kwabo njengoba namhlanje into yabo isaqhubeka. Ngicabanga ukuthi sineminyaka ebalelwa kwemine impela into yabo yaqala ungezwani kwabo emva kokuthi beqhathwe into encane, beqhathwe ingoma, baqhathwa owangena phakathi kwabo kwagcina kuba ngazuthi kukhona nongasathembani okukhona phakathi kwabo bobabili uDr. 3 Second noDr. Mabalengwe. Kodwa ke ake sibone ukuthi lezi insizwa zombili kwenze njani namhlanje. Kwakhona into seshunqayo phakathi kwabo. Sasithi sezathelelana amanzi inyanga zethu kodwa kubukeka ngazuthi hey usazoke kudlale umbani wezulu ngendlela izinto zihamba ngakhona.
Lo mfana uThosi uyofuka ingoma lapha. Uyadingeka lo mfana wagudluza ungena ngeke uyichaza lento ukuthi ukhipha le ngoma nje ukhipha kanjani ngoba ngiyayizwa nje le ngoma ukuthi khona igudla khona manje ngikubeka lapha ngikubeka emachobeni ukuthi ubalo nami ndingiselala fanele umbhalo lo mfana akatholakala lo mfana ngibhekiseni yena impela ngoba hayi le ngoma sengilokhu ngiyidlalile ngiyibuka le ngoma ngiyibuka ukuthi hayi sengiyithathishe kahle ukuthi hayi lo mfana lo ngifanele achaza ingake sekuyisikhathi eside ngagcina ukuthi lezochaza ngiyabona ukuthi khona bezoyichaza lento engitshene kahle bese iqophelele ici lengoma nje yini beyicabangile ngoba ngizangimuve ecula ngemashini maso lazochaza ulindiwe
mana-ke nkabi yami mana-ke wo awungixoxele kahle-ke nkabi hey futhi wena hayi wena kahle wena second lo mfana usuthi akazochaza manje akusuweni kanti wagibeza umfana phezu kwekhanda lami okokuqala angithi wena lo mfana wamseseza lo mfana wamnikeza inkomo wawusuthi lenkomo akayilethe lapha yakuwena kube ngathi uzobonga ngayo wajike wathi wena lo mfana uzozobonga ngenkukhu lapha ngathini mina ngathi lo mfana uyagqilazeka ke manje useyoshona phansi udu ngase ngithi mkadeni nimbukeke manje ngoba manje sengiyamgqilaza ngoba lo mfana wathinta igama likaMabalengwe waduma abantu bengamazi bamfuna left and right and center ngesikhathi ecela ukuzoyikhipha ingoma wacela kimi le eGoli behamba noquality lo wakabiyela kodwa ngamangala mina mase kuthiwa umfana useyobonga kwagudluza ungene kanti u3 second noMabalengwe ubani uMabalengwe waculwa ngayo umfana ezebona imali ezephume nasemkhukhwini lapho wayihlala khona wathi uyazama lo mfana wayogibela le ebandleni elikhulu lamaNazaretha wathi ufuna imali yezipika kumthethwa ngiyabona lengane ukuthi idinga usizo langempela ke manje lo mfana usegqilazekile ngoba inkinga yakhe kusho ukuthi akalona iciko akakwazi ukubhala ingoma kahle lo mfana akakwazi ukubhala ingoma ulinda indaba zangaphakathi ku social media hlale ku social media linda indaba ezitrendayo yena bese khipha ingoma uyabheda manje kuyanyiwa phu manje nkabe yamuthi akazochaza azochaza ukuthini ukuthi usekhulume ngendlunkulu phela lezi indaba ngezasemsamo we3 second ngezasemsamo uyabona manje ngoba esethinte indlunkulu usethinta uZulu wonke Zulu asithintwa thina ngoZulu thinte kabo wathinta amakhosi umfana kufana ukuthi uthinta izinyosi ziyamtinyela manje zizomhlaba zaphelelwe indawo yokucasha wena ufuna zochaza ukuthini awungixoxele kahle nkabi yami uchaza ukuthini umfana noma usufuna ukumvusa futhi odakeni olalele kulo
inkinga ke zaqala ngenkathi umculi kaMaskandi uSminofu shaya icwecwe esebenzisa into eyayitrenda ngaleso sikhathi ngoMabalengwe lapho uMabalengwe wayesolakala ezintweni ezithile ku-Absa nalapha uSminofu njengeciko ke wathatha lokho wakusebenzisa nokhipha ingoma le ngoma eyatrenda kakhulu ethi imali yase-Absa Mabalengwe bayayifuna abantu letha ndoda khokha kwahamba mbukeli kwase kuba ngazuthi uSminofu uyobonga kubantu abadala ukuthi yazi lento yalezi insizwa zombili ebakade bedlala ngazo ngoba u3 second wayekade engcwekisa uMabalengwe ngayo indaba imali yase-Absa uSminofu wakuthatha kwenza ingoma lokho wabe uSminofu eseyobonga ukuthi awuyazi umdlalo wenu mina usengithathe wangibeka ebalazweni ngoba uSminofu namhlanje kuleli zinga kulona nje ngesihlonize futhi angeke size sikushalazele ukuthi wasizwa noma waveleliswa iyo lengoma ethi imali yase-Absa Mabalengwe bayayifuna abantu namhlanje ke mbukeli uSminofu usaphindile futhi washaya ingoma engizothi inyakazisa umhlaba wonke wamabhinqa laphana lengoma nayo ethi ayifane nemali yase-Absa kodwa ke namhlanje isihloko sengoma sithi emachubeni uyisuselaphi na kwinkulumo yesilo isile eyayenza laphana esigodlweni sayo isilo lapho khona esasikhuza egcekeni okwakwenzeka ekhaya uSpinoff vele aqhubeka kwashaya ingoma Khamu kwashaya ingoma ngeinhlamvu ezayikhulunywa isilo sonke ke siyazi ukuthi isilo sathini senzani kanti ke mbukeli msihlabela phambili nangu Julius Malema ewena lenhliziyo zabantu abaningi lapho khona ekade enza imanifestation enza izithembiso azoyifeza mangabe bephatha komasipala bama provinces njengoba sibheke kukhetho luka mhla ka4 November lama provincial elections lapho khona kuvotelwa ohulumeni bendawo noma ohulumeni bamadolobha South Africa nje yonke uJulius Malema ke uveze izithembiso athi yena njenge EFF bangayifeza bayifezela abantu basemzansi lezi inkulumo uJulius Malema ubeyiveza ngenkathi becelebrate i-13th year anniversary celebration yayo iqembu iEFF lasungulwa ngomhla ka 24 July 2013
EFF. Only the EFF is the only one that can remove the corrupt. Our municipalities have collapsed. That's why they steal from the poor. That's why they make people who pay SASSA to pay for electricity. How can you give people money of SASSA, on the other hand demand that they must pay electricity? We refuse that. We want more money for local government because it is local government that deals directly with our people. What is the role of the province? If you ask many of our people, they never know why there is a need for a province. All cleaning, security guards, accounting and auditing jobs will be given to those who work in the municipality. Why do you take our auditing to other people? Let's hire people to come and work for the municipality and be the auditors themselves. We don't want potholes in Ditsowotla, in Northam, in every village, including here in Thohoyandou. Here in Thohoyandou, when you drive straight, it means ukambiwa, because you can't drive straight when you are sober in Thohoyandou. When you drive in Thohoyandou, you must drive like this, because you are running away from potholes. Once the traffic cop sees you driving straight, they know you are sober. They are going to arrest you. But the sober ones are the ones who run away from the potholes. The people of Vembe are saying they want an Elms hospital which is properly capacitated. They are tired of potholes. They are tired of dust. Many of you think August is a month of dust. It's not a month of dust. It's a windy month. But because we come from where there is too much dust, Renana August ke kgwedi ya marule. A se kgwedi ya marule, August ke kgwedi ya moya. Moya o la o betha o kra le wena o nagara le rule. Then o re no ke kgwedi ya marule. If you say that to someone who comes from a place where there is no dust, they will be shocked what you are talking about. That dust in August demonstrate to us practically that there is no service delivery where we come from. That's why there is dust. That's why we are going to face dust in August, and we are going to stop that dust on the 4th of November. Comrades, the EFF has worked very hard. The EFF in Ekurhuleni has made sure that it gives our people dignified sanitation and water. The EFF stabilized the finances of Ekurhuleni. Once they removed our MMC in Ekurhuleni, the finances of Ekurhuleni collapsed. It is the EFF that is known for giving people houses because the EFF cares about our people. Today, Tshwane is clean. You will mistaken it for London because those who came before, they are used to staying in dirty places. The best MMC when it comes to cleaning a town comes from the EFF, and he is that operate 24 hours in Westbury and Florida. We will continue to do so and renovate the old clinics like we did in Zanspruit, Protea Glen, and Naledi. We are not scared, comrades, because we know this is not politics for us. It is service delivery to our people. We converted Poki Center into a treatment center for substance abuse victims. Even those who eat nyaupe and drugs, we care for them. And that's why we created a better place for them in Johannesburg. Fighters, everywhere else we are part of government, like in Taung and Matibeng. If we don't find water, we donated boreholes and Jojo tanks to our people. And even in Pulukwani, in many areas we donated boreholes and Jojo tanks, even when we are not in government. We don't have to wait to be in government to deliver all of this to our people. We gave our people electricity in Nelson Mandela Bay and reduced the debt that the poor were owing. If you doubt us, you must go and ask the people of Motherwell. You must go and ask the people of Ekupumleni, old age, where we dropped a charge of 3.3 million that was owed by the center. Comrades, the EFF is an organization that will make sure you get land and you work the land. We don't want land that is going to benefit the few. We want land that is going to benefit all of us. We want land for settlement, but we want land also for economic opportunities. When we take over government, we are going to expropriate land that is abundant and give it to you. We are going to expropriate buildings that are abundant and give them to you, and give them to the students, and give them to the youth to make sure they use them for their own prosperity. Let us make sure that the EFF in government gives everybody basic services. We are going to make sure that the middle income households benefit from a government of the EFF. We are going to build internal capacity and insource all the workers. Everyone who works in the building of the municipality that is governed by the EFF will be employed directly by that particular municipality. We don't want tenders. We want people to work directly, have an appointment letter, have a medical aid, have a pension fund, and also have leave days. They must not go on sick leave. When they come back, they are fired by their bosses because their jobs are not guaranteed. Jobs and small business will be the order of the day. We are going to create jobs locally. We are going to make sure that everybody who produce in KwaZulu-Natal, in Musina, and Lepelle, Nkumpi, Ephraim Mogale.
So ifela kodaba lika Jabulani Khumalo. uJabulani Khumalo ongapheli amandla ethulela okungokwakhe. Sikhuluma ngeqembu le MKP okuyiqembu lika baba uJacob Zuma. Leli qembu okuvela ukuthi lake laqala labhaliswa noma laphathwa uyena uJabulani Khumalo. uJabulani Khumalo oziveza njengomsunguli walo iqembu othi lantshontshwa ekuyena noma lathatha kuyena kungavunyelwenwe kungahanjiswanga ngemigudu eright efanele. Usazama ke umfoka Mntungwa ukuthi iqembu liphinde libuyele ngakuyena ngokwamalungelo akhe athemba ukuthi kumele ngabe lingilakhe.
Thina njengamanje ne-MK Party iphathi yami engayiqalayo ngifuna ukuyilungisa la angiyona iform ngingumnikazi namanje ngokwamaphepha kusahlezi kunjalo yantshontshwa uZuma negebengu zakhe. So sisaqhubeka ke siye Concord ke manje because ukukhumbula ukuthi ngile Concord washo ukuthi bathi eConcord cha uqedanga eSCA buyele eSCA eSupreme Court of Appeal sabuyela eSupreme Court esinikeza ke lento ngathi eConcord sasifuna idirect access then sabuyela eSCA sisinikezile ukuthi no singaya ke manje eConcord so siyakhona ke njengamanje sifakile icala okusho ukuthi ngeindlela whatever uZuma kwenzayo nabantu bakhe seku-underscrutiny ngoba icala likhona abakwazi ukuqhubeka kuma-election ngaphandle ukuthi siqedele icala.
Nje ama-supporters akho njengamanje uthi awavotele banike ngoba kusaqhubeka lecala and masibheka kuzoshaya November 4 lingaka-conclude.
Ngenxa yalokho kanye yikho sithi kuma-supporters wethu awasupporte i-ARU okwamanje for ama-local government, but for 2029 so bese sisonke siphusha ukuthi sithole uhulumeni.